How to mention certifications. This one is extremely simple. First, you mention the name of certification, then awarding body. But make sure after the name of certification you place a comma, and then you write an awarding body, and then you put a straight dash or a straight line, and then the year you completed the certification or expected year of completion. You can see the sample. For instance, if you have completed certification in digital marketing from XYZ college, it will be appeared something like this: digital marketing, comma, XYZ college, then a straight dash, and then your year of completion, which is 2022. There is no authorized way of mentioning certifications. It could be any way, but as per our research and as per our findings from what we studied from the 4H, it would be preferable to use the methods which we are explaining you in these series of videos. You can come up with another method or another methodology of writing skills or certifications, but these are simple ways, so it's always better to adopt simpler ways when you are writing a CV or a resume. By the way, the 4H is an organization which offers free courses and free certifications. Thank you very much for listening to us. We will appreciate if you ask us questions.